Hi, is it possible for you to make 1 million from YouTube? Stay here. Let me give you the simple updates or the simple skills how you can manage to make up this amount. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. First subscribe and turn on the notification icon. In Uganda, it is very easy to make up 1 million from YouTube. How do you do this? That's the question of the day. 1. Make sure, currently even YouTube I'm seeing it giving it like 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Yeah, they reduced. But for us previously who had YouTube channels, who created YouTube channels something back, they would ask for us 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Currently YouTube has reduced that threshold. So in Uganda it is very easy for you to make up this money. Get your subscribers, get your watch hours, apply for monetization, you'll be able to get your money. Now, I'm going to give you the simple steps how to make this 1 million from YouTube monthly. Do you accept that it is possible or you want to reject it? But officially it is possible if you have your time for your account, time for shooting and time for editing, and you produce good quality work. The first thing you need to do to get this 1 million out of YouTube monthly, create your channel, make sure you post good content, get subscribers, get watch hours. Automatically you apply for monetization after reaching every requirement that is needed by YouTube. So how do you do this very fast? Make sure that you will hang on the trending trends. If something is trending, make a story out of it. People will come on your account. Post good content work, people will come on your account. And every view that, every person that comes on your account, that is counted as a viewer. And a viewer is counted as money, right? So if a video has like 10 million viewers, of course YouTube pays according to the number of viewers that have visited your video. But in most cases, it also depends on type of viewers who visit your account. If someone sees your video for 1 minute and goes away, still after monetizing it works out, you'll get that money. We have AdSense. For you see, sometimes you see on the video skip ads. That is money. Paid partnership, that is money. Joining for membership, that is money. So YouTube has a very many versatile opportunities for you to make money from it. So don't stick on one thing that you have to go to school, you have to study. But if you study a YouTube channel, brother, I'm telling you, you will be able to get this money. So how do you do this? For monetization on YouTube, you need not be having any copyright. You're following community guidelines, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Is it possible to get to this? Anyway, this is how you do it. Every time you post something, you have WhatsApp. Use WhatsApp as a social media marketing agency on an individual basis. Get your video, share the link to all your friends, to all WhatsApp groups, to all members that you know. At least you can't fail to get 10 people who will see it. If something becomes better, most people will also look for it. It will be suggested. So when your video gets very many viewers with time, I tell you, you'll be able to make money on YouTube. Some people are asking me on TikTok. I'll do another video for TikTok next time, but this time around I'm still on YouTube. You can make up 1 million from YouTube monthly if you give it a lot of time and you give your time for editing, shooting and uploading. Don't mind, you buy 2 GBs and you use them to see other people's video. But if you get 2 GBs and use to upload one of your videos, you may never know, God will land on you. An opportunity will land on you. And your account, boom, it floods with viewers. You monetize and you make your money. So most people in Uganda, they no longer give time to YouTube, apart from a few who know its importance, like us. Because you can see, for me, I have over 40,000 subscribers. You think it came from heaven? No. I'm like you. So you also join YouTube. Tell people to join your channel. Post good content, give it time, people will come on your account. So in the next video, I will show you how to make money on TikTok. Stay tuned and subscribe.